Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to use Google Calendar. So from the Google homepage, you're going to go to the Google Apps icon, as you can see here, and we're going to tap on it. And then we're going to find Calendar. So we're going to click on Calendar. And here in the Google Calendar main screen, in the left sidebar, you can see a glance of the month. You could also see people you could search for. And then you could see some calendars that you might have. And then you also have other calendars. And then at the top, you have the main menu where you could tap on it, simply hiding the sidebar. And we're going to open it once again by clicking on it. And then here you have the option to create. So when you click on the create button, you have three options: the event, the task, and appointment schedule. So depending on what you'd like to be organized for, you could select any of them. And then you can see the blue highlight for the day. And then at the top area here, you can see the option to search. You can search for any keyword in your calendar which you might have saved before, in case you're looking for some event or some task. And then here in the settings menu, when you click on settings, you can see the trash what you've deleted. You could change the density and color, print your calendar, and get other add-ons. Now currently the view is for the week, as you can see, Sunday to Saturday. We can change this by clicking on the week drop-down menu here, and you can see you could change it to the day, the week, the month, the year, the schedule. And this schedule view basically shows you what you have on schedule, which you have already created. You could decide to show weekends, show declined events, show completed tasks, or show appointment schedules. Now we're going to change this to the month, and now we can see that the calendar here is now bigger, so we can see it in a full version, such as access to your Google Keep, where you have your notes, and you also have your tasks and contacts and your Google Maps. So these are frequently used applications in addition to your calendar. For example, you might have a task here, and you might want to use your Keep to remind yourself of the details. Of course, now we're going to be showing you how to set an appointment on Google Calendar. In order to do that, we're just simply going to go to Create. We're going to tap on it, and we're going to say we want to have a task. So we're going to click on task, and in this task, we're going to say visit the coffee shop. And we could always change this. Even though we selected a task, we could change it to an event, a task, or an appointment schedule. Now we could choose this date. Maybe we could choose that for Wednesday the 3rd of July. And then we could also choose the time, maybe not so late. Maybe we could use an afternoon lunch hour. So we're going to select 12 p.m. We could decide to have this all day, or we could choose this to occur simply by 12 p.m. Now the difference between this and this is that if you have it on all day, the time will be disabled. That simply means that when you wake up, this notification will constantly show in your notification bar in your device, which is also connected to your Google Calendar. So we could decide to uncheck the box, and we have 12 p.m. We could decide to repeat this on a daily schedule, or we could decide to repeat this every weekday. So maybe you're always going to get coffee or lunch, so we're going to click on every weekday, and in the description you could say espresso, and then we're going to simply click on save, and then you have this repeated every day of the week. You can see the weekends are exempted, Saturday and Sunday. So you could repeat this process for appointments, for events, and for other tasks. Set them to your preference, the regularity, how often you want that to be, if you want it to come daily or every weekday or once a week or once every month. So these are a few tips on how to use Google Calendar. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comment section below. We're eager to hear from you.